So what does that mean for web development? So you've probably noticed, right? AI is everywhere. It's in your phone, suggesting your next word, it's in your car, helping you park, it's curating your music playlists, or recommending what to watch next. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's just the tech we use every day. For a while it really felt like AI was this far-off concept, but now, it's embedded so deeply into our lives that we barely even think about it. It's the quiet engine running in the background, making things smoother, making things faster, making things more personalized. The real question is, what happens when this powerful engine starts getting into more complex, creative fields? For years, building a website was a craft, but now AI is stepping into this arena, and it's really starting to change the game. This is a fundamental change in how we think about creating things for the web. The most obvious advantage of using AI in web development is speed. I'm talking about a massive, almost unbelievable increase in efficiency. A developer might spend hours or even days coding a specific feature like a user login system. An AI tool, on the other hand, can generate the boilerplate code for that same feature in seconds. Humans make mistakes. It's just part of the deal. A misplaced semicolon, a typo in a variable name, these tiny errors can cause big headaches and hours of debugging. AI, when trained correctly, is incredibly precise. It can write clean, standardized code that is far less likely to contain these simple human errors. AI-powered testing tools can also scan thousands of lines of code in an instant, identifying potential bugs, security vulnerabilities, performance issues much faster than any human team could. AI tools can now generate dozens of design mockups based on a simple text prompt like, create a clean, minimalist homepage for a coffee shop. We're also seeing AI that can generate unique assets like images or icons on the fly, allowing for truly dynamic and personalized user experiences. Real-world examples are already popping up everywhere. Take GitHub Copilot, for instance. Developers using it report finishing tasks significantly faster. These tools aren't just theoretical, they are being used right now to build real products faster and more efficiently than ever before, proving that the upside of AI in this space is very, very real. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There's a definite downside we need to talk about, and the biggest one is job security. This is the elephant in the room for a lot of developers. If an AI can write code, debug, and even design, what's left for a human to do? The fear is that entry-level development jobs, which often involve writing repetitive boilerplate code that AI excels at, could be the first to go. Beyond the job market, there's the risk of over-reliance. When a tool does the work for you, it's easy to stop asking why about the code. If a developer accepts AI output without understanding it, they lose problem-solving skills. Debugging complex issues becomes nearly impossible without that foundation. This could create developers great at prompting AIs, but not great at building complex systems from the ground up. There's also a creative cost. AI is trained on existing data. That means they are really good at creating things that look like what's already been made. While this is great for generating standard, clean designs, it could also lead to a web that feels the same. The quirky, unique, and truly innovative designs that come from a human artist breaking the rules might become rarer. In coding, using an AI-generated snippet without understanding it can introduce subtle but serious security flaws. AI offers immense power and speed, but it brings new responsibilities and risks we're only beginning to navigate. The convenience is tempting, but it's not without its price. So, let's put them head to head. AI's biggest strengths are in raw processing power and pattern recognition. This makes it unbeatable at tasks like optimizing code for performance, finding tiny inconsistencies across a huge codebase. It's the ultimate grinder. Humans, on the other hand, excel at things that can't be easily quantified. We are masters of context, empathy, and abstract thinking. A human developer can sit down with a client, listen to their vague ideas, and translate that human conversation into a functional and emotional digital experience. Think about building a website for a nonprofit that helps children. A human designer will think about colors that evoke hope, photography that tells a story, copy that connects on a personal level. It's a classic case of different tools for different jobs. AI is the ultimate power tool for execution. Humans are the architects and the artists. So, what does the future of web development look like? All signs point to a future of collaboration, not competition. Think of it like a pilot in a modern cockpit. Autopilot can handle long, straight stretches. The human pilot takes off, lands, and navigates unexpected turbulence. The role of the web developer will evolve. Instead of spending 80% of their time on mundane coding, they'll shift to higher-level tasks. The developer becomes a director, orchestrating a suite of powerful AI tools to bring a creative vision to life. A shift from laborer to strategist. Developers who embrace AI, learn to prompt it effectively, and use it to supercharge their workflow will be most in demand. AI is arguably the most powerful tool we've ever had for building better things for the web. The relationship between humans and AI won't be a rivalry, it will be the most powerful partnership the tech world has ever seen, and that's a future worth building.